All right. Stay with me, okay? Freeze. We're not barely touching. We're grappling. So hold her tight under your armpit. Good. From here, the first one, you put your left hand under their throat. And then you paper cutter all the way down with your elbow till they tap. Okay, everybody get that one? Then slide up to the wrist, pinch their arm with your thigh, and bend it over your thigh. Wrong thigh, Isaac. So yeah, pinch it and bend it. Go slow. Remember, when they tap, stop immediately. Then they bend their arm. Don't switch your grip. They bend their arm. You push it toward your bottom leg. And put your leg over. I don't want you to switch the grip because you'll miss the lock in the middle. They'll get away. And then slowly down till they tap. Good, Bella. Ready? Start all over. Arm under the neck. Grab your own arm. Drop your elbow all the way down to the mat till they tap. Slide to the wrist, pinch their arm with your thigh, bend it over your thigh like you're breaking a stick. They bend their arm because they don't like that, you throw your bottom leg over it. Good, okay? Now you're going to show me that on your own for 2 minutes, okay? Ready, begin. Padlock at. Never lose the padlock. Just had to tell 2 grade outs. You guys have been here for a while. Don't lose the padlock in head and arm. Remember, that's the key to securing this position. One of the keys, anyway. Every time I look over you, your hand's out of padlock. Next one will be push-ups.